Number 1. Full Star Vegetable Chopper. Chop down all your veggies with just one push. Full Star presents its amazing vegetable chopper, a 4-in-1 slicer with the most efficient and speedy results compared to any other chopper on the market. Manufacturers craft the chopper from high-quality plastic, and all 4 heads have sharp, rust-free blades that significantly decrease meal prep time. The plastic container at the bottom captures all the sliced pieces of the vegetables, keeping everything clean and tidy. So chop everything in just seconds, whether it's onion, cucumber, or even fruits like apples. So get yours now by clicking the link in our description. Number 2. KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears. Introducing KitchenAid's All-Purpose Kitchen Shears, a great companion for everyone who loves to cook. These 8.72-inch shears save tons of time compared to a regular knife, and they also feature an incredibly comfortable design that provides a smooth cutting experience. The stainless steel blades make it safe to wash in the dishwasher. The blades are sharp enough to cut meat into several pieces, just like slicing the butter. These scissors will never disappoint you, so whether you want to slice open coupons or cut hard wires, use KitchenAid's kitchen shears. Number 3. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Opening a can has always posed a hectic task, and inventors have introduced numerous can openers throughout the centuries. Still, none of them can ever reach the level of comfort this gadget provides. Introducing Kitchen Mama's Auto Electric Can Opener, a unique and useful invention that only needs 4 AA batteries to operate. It provides a hand-free experience, so say goodbye to hand pain while opening cans. The device is compatible with all sorts of can sizes. All you need to do is place it on top of the lid, press the start button, and let it do its job. It's so easy to use that even a child can use it. Now that's a lifesaver. Number 4. Priority Chef Potato Ricer. Are you a fan of mashed potatoes? Well, if you're not, you're about to become one. Introducing Priority Chef's large 15-oz potato ricer, a fantastic invention to get your potatoes ready with just one push. The device features high-quality stainless steel, making the dishwasher rust-free and washable. It's a cool kitchen gadget with a non-stick experience and great capacity. So whether you want to mash your potatoes or carrots, this gadget will do the job in no time. Number 5. Easy Off Jar Opener. Introducing the Easy Off Jar Opener, the next-level jar opener, saving you from the hassle of becoming the all-might every time you're trying to open a jar. You can easily install the gadget in your kitchen by peeling the cover from the adhesive sheet at the back of the product. Now stick the gadget at the bottom of your kitchen cabinets and fasten the device with 3 screws to get a safe and firm grip. Now that your jar opener is all set, open the jars by placing the lids between the zinc-coated saw-like tooth and twisting the jar. Your jar will open with almost no force at all, thanks to the leverage that builds due to the positioning of the opener. Aside from that, it's a highly accessible product and a great addition to your kitchen. Number 6. Ototo Red the Crab Silicone Utensil. Rest. Cute things are always mood lighteners. That's why an attractive companion like Mr. Red the Crab will bring joy while cooking. The silicone crab gives you a hand by holding your utensils between its 2 claws while sitting on top of your cooking pot. It holds both the utensil and the cooking pot firmly, allowing it not to fall. It's also heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about the crab buddy getting burned. You can also use it as a steam releaser while cooking rice. How amazing is that? It's an excellent addition to your kitchen, so you must check it out. Number 7. Full Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper. Full Star presents another amazing vegetable chopper featuring 5 interchangeable cutting heads. So whether you want to do some slicing, grating, or chopping, you can do all of them with just a few adjustments. The chopper also comes with a 3-in-1 handheld spiralizer, which allows you to slice your vegetables into spiral cuts, making it perfect for salad decorations. The stainless steel blades provide a sharp experience, and all the sliced vegetables go right into the plastic container. So pick up your vegetables and start cutting. Number 8. Bambusi Charcuterie Boards. Elevate your dining table with Bambusi's Charcuterie Board, an elegant product to display cheese slices with a line of crispy crackers. Whether you want to place fruits, meat cuts, or dry fruits on this board, it will definitely enhance the appearance of anything you place on top of it. The board comes with its own utensil drawer with utensils as well. You get 4 cheese slicers, a bottle opener, 3 labels, 2 markers, and 1 carrying bag. So impress your friends and family with Bambusi Charcuterie Boards. Number 9. Imsafarel Digital Meat Thermometer. Get the most accurate and precise temperature of your steak to get the best juicy flavors in your meal. Say goodbye to overcooked and raw steaks thanks to Imsafarel's digital waterproof meat thermometer. Just stick the foldable probe in your beef steak and get the accurate temperature on the digital display of your thermometer. It's a highly advanced thermometer perfect for every BBQ lover. Number 10. Aothod Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. Get yourself Aothod's silicone cooking utensils set that can withstand 446 degree F thanks to their heat-resistant properties. The high-quality silicone utensils are perfect for non-stick pans and all kinds of pots. The set includes numerous cooking tools such as turner tongs, spatula, spoon, brush, whisk, and many more. They're easy to clean and are compatible with dishwashers, a perfect gift for all kitchen lovers. Number 11. Siraupi Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. Dry out your dishes, fruits, vegetables, and utensils using the Siraupi's elegant dish drying rack. A compact drying rack that easily folds into a roll, saving tons of space, especially in a small kitchen. Place the stainless steel rack over your sink and put the things you want to dry over it. It's an excellent addition to your kitchen, and you must check it out. Number 12. Awawon Clip-On Strainer. Get yourself the high-quality silicone stainers from Awawon. These stainers are known for their excellent designs, allowing you to clip them on all sizes of pots to drain the excess water. The strainers are heat-resistant and easily washable in dishwashers. Whether you want to strain boiled rice or clean fruits and vegetables, this silicone stainer will definitely increase your work efficiency. Number 13. Bidful Magnetic Measuring Spoons Set. Never get the measurements wrong with Bidful's Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. The stainless steel spoon set comes with a pack of 6 two-sided spoons for different volumes and features a measuring scale to remove the excess material from the spoon. It's a high-quality product, and thanks to its magnetic capability, they are extremely easy to store in a stack inside a drawer. Number 14. Puromi Herb Scissors Set. Introducing Puromi's incredible herb scissor set featuring 5 razor-sharp blades with a sheath to protect the blades when not in use. The comfortable handle provides efficiency while working and gives a smooth experience while cutting with the extremely sharp blades. After cutting, clean the blades with the included cleaning tool. Say goodbye to cutting with kitchen knives and make things easier with Puromi's herb scissors. Number 15. Xylus Professional Cheese Grater. No more waiting for the waiter to come and start grating cheese on your steak. Get your own cheese grater out and grate cheese with style. All jokes aside, Xylus presents its professional cheese grater, a high-quality device with a comfortable handle that allows you to grate cheese efficiently. Place your cheese block inside the grater and start spinning the handle. The ultrafine cheese will begin to drop down on your meal, enhancing the taste to the next level. Number 16. Tyluck Stainless Steel Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. If you're a baking addict, then you must check out Tyluck's high-quality stainless steel measuring cups and spoon set. The set is known for its high-class material that allows it to stay rust-free and easily washable in a dishwasher. It includes a set of different sizes of cups and spoons, perfect for measuring the right amount of ingredients. Measuring ingredients has never been this easy. Number 17. Zule Kitchen Premium Apple Corer Tool. Impress your friends and family by extracting the core right out of the apple using Zule Kitchen's premium apple corer tool. It is an incredible invention with a comfortable handle that allows you to easily plunge the extractor into the apple to get the core out. It's perfect for food decorations. We all know presentation matters greatly. Number 18. Bellamain Potato Ricer. Presenting Bellamain Potato Ricer, a perfect device to mash your potatoes using its 3 interchangeable heads to get the satisfaction you deserve. The high-class stainless steel potato ricer has 3 varieties: fine, medium, and coarse. It's exceptionally comfortable to use and very easy to clean at the same time. Thanks to the stainless steel, your potato ricer stays rust-free for centuries. If you're a mashed potato lover, this ricer will definitely enhance your experience to the next level. That was it, everyone. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.